the structure, yung walls niya, yung safety, tsaka yung size. Birds, so yan, there's no bats inside.
Swallow?
Even all
Parang
swallows.
swallow.
Yes, so, ayan. Sa iba, pwede kayong maglagay ng flash. Or you turn on your flash.
Makapatan niyo yung gems ng ano.
Birds, so yan.
Swallow.
Swallows, yes. So this is historical. It's because the Japanese used this as their hideout during the World War II. So 1942, the World War II started. But 1940s pa lang, nabuhay na yung mga Filipinos. So they are captured from different places in the Philippines. And then dinala sila dito sa Davao. And then they are forced to work on this tunnel for 2.5 years. No rest and no food. And the tunnel was so long. This is 7 kilometers. But now it's not accessible now. Kasi binenta na ng government. So it has different owner now and all private. So some owners, they decided to close it and cover it. Kasi nga kumawa sila ng mga bahay, buildings. At yung iba naman, di naman nila sa basement. So ito pa yung accidentally lang na-discovered year 1960s. So recently lang, no? And they found a lot of stocks here. Nahukay lang ko ng bago. So they found 8 tons of gold bars here and 12 inches golden Buddha. So yung naghabi-happy ng the government officials and the Japanese program. Opo.
Ano? May na-discover sila nga.
Pwede ba tumano ngayon?
Gold. Gold
Wala na,
bars.
ito lang magpa-clear. Pwede siya kay clear po.
Picture ka dito, babe.
Okay,
Ito ka daw.
Opo kayo, pwede kayo makakuha. Ito yung meeting room. And that's ang bila naman yung prayer room. Yan, mga replica lang po yung mga gold bars ha. Hindi na yan tunay. Kami lang naglagay niya, no? As picture purposes.